Welcome viewers to another session of expansions. I hope you have gone through the previous topics on expansions, the basics, especially the expansions for the squares and the cubes. If you have any issues before doing that, I would suggest that you could go and see those videos so that these questions would be easy. All right. Okay. Now, if you look at these questions, they are very tricky. You need to recall these three formulas. One is a plus b the whole squared. The other one is a minus b the whole squared. And the other one is a squared minus b squared. You really need to make a distinction between these three, which is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and this one would be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And obviously this is the difference of two squares, so it's a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Now, we need to learn or we need to understand how to use these formulas or identities to obtain these values. Now, it's very simple. If you look at this, a plus b is 9 and ab is 12. You need to find out what is a minus b. So basically, if I had to use my identity a minus b the whole square, I would get this a squared plus b squared. So whatever we said and done, I need to know first what is a plus b the whole square. First I will do that, which is 9 squared, which is 81. So this becomes a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, which is equal to 81, but I know AB is 12, so let me substitute here. So A squared plus B squared plus 2 multiplied by 12 is equal to 81, or I get A squared plus B squared is equal to 81. This is 24, you bring it to this side is minus 24, or this becomes 81 minus 24, which is nothing but 57, right? So once you get this 57, let me keep this result and I can use it to find what I need, that is a minus b. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out what is a minus b the whole square. So a minus b the whole square would be a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Now you see I have this a squared plus b squared, which is nothing but 57. So from 1 I get this as 57. Is that okay? So from 1, which I have already found out, I'm using this 50 minus 2 times. Obviously, AB is 12 minus 2 times 12. So this is 57 minus 24, which becomes 33. So A minus B the whole square is 33. And what would be A minus B? So A minus B would be square root of 33. Alright. So whenever you have a square root, I want all of you to note that you can have two possible values, that is plus and minus. So it's always mandatory that you use plus and minus when you are doing the square root. Okay. So this is how you would apply identities to find out necessary whatever is asked. All right. Okay, let's go on and see how to do the next question. All right. This also, if you look, is nothing very difficult. All you have to do is, the hint is, if I square this, 2x the whole square would be 4x squared, 3y the whole square would be 9y squared. So I get my hint from there that I have to square this particular thing. I need to square, right? So that is my hint, and let me continue with that. So I would get 2x plus 3y. Let me square it, which is 25 squared. So this becomes 4x squared plus 9y squared plus 2 multiplied by 2x multiplied by 3y, which is equal to 25 times 25, which is 625. So I have 4x squared plus 9y squared plus 12xy, which is 625. Or in other words, 4x squared plus 9y squared plus 12 multiplied by xy. Xy is nothing but 10. Or in other words, I only need this. So 4x squared plus 9y squared is equal to 625 minus 120, which is 505. So that would be the answer for 4x squared plus 9y squared. So you need to see and relate what you need to do, whether you need to square or whether you need to cube to get whatever values you need. All right, let's go on to the next question. Question 3. This is a little bit tricky because I see this is the equation and I want x plus 1 by x. So we need to think a little bit out of the box here. What I would do is this entire equation, x squared minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. I will divide it by x. So when I divide by x, what am I going to get? I will get x minus 3 plus 1 by x is equal to 0. So my first question is, I need x plus 1 by x. So I keep this on the side, bring the negative 3 to the other side, so it becomes 3. And there you go, and you see that you will get the first question. And now it is the same. From x plus 1 by x, I need the square. So you square the second one. You get x plus 1 by x, the whole square, is equal to 3 squared. So 3 squared is 9. So x squared plus 1 by x squared plus 2x into 1 by x is equal to 9. X and x gets cancelled, or x squared plus 1 by x squared is equal to 9 minus 2, which is 7. So here this is basically very simple. Only the starting is a little bit challenging, but if you know what to do, it becomes easy. Now let's look at the third one. You just have to square this. So again, we square x squared plus 1 by x squared the whole square, which is equal to 7 squared, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2x squared multiplied by 1 by x squared is equal to 49. So this gets cancelled, or x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is 49 minus 2, which is 47, and your question is done. All right. So this is as easy as this, but all you need to do is think a little bit and understand what you're supposed to do, whether you're squaring or whether you need to divide by something to get the necessary answer. Hope you have understood this session. Stay tuned for the next session for factorization. So I would be doing factorization. Thank you very much.